Hey guys, and welcome to week 2 of the 4 in 4 challenge. First things first, congratulations for finishing week 1. As we all went through it together, we know it's by far the most difficult week of the 4 weeks. But good news is you get carbs back this week, so everyone's got a little bit of a reason to celebrate. Let's just go to the compliance-based challenge. Obviously, these are the 5 points that stay the same. You must do your 5 exercise sessions. Got to be in gym clothes, guys. Keep logging 100% of everything you consume. Keep consuming your recommended calorie and protein intake. Stay off the booze. Eat approved foods only. And then we'll get into the specific point of this week. So the week 2 compliance point is, as everyone is looking forward to, reintroducing 1 serve of carbohydrates, either post-workout or prior to bed. So basically, we're doing this because carbs post-workout actually allow your muscles to recover, and which is going to allow you to train better and continue to burn more fat. So it's actually going to help to increase fat loss, and that's what we want to keep doing throughout the challenge. So just a couple of points. Your calorie and protein intake always stays the same for the 4 weeks. So when you reintroduce your carbs, what you need to do is actually decrease your fat intake. Now, there's no sort of one answer to how many, what size serving of carbs you have, but we would recommend 30 to 50% of your calorie intake. So let's use an example. 1,500 calorie diet. 30% of that equals 450 calories. So 450 calories is 112 grams of carbs because there's 4 grams of carbs per calorie. So how that works out is 112 grams of carbohydrate. Just as an example, it's 511 grams of sweet potato. So there's a few conversions there. What we would encourage you to do, if you have any questions, is to seek advice from your trainer. Because again, there's a few conversions from calories to carbs, and then how many carbs are in each serving of food. So let's talk about the top tips for this week. Stay the same. Continue to prepare all your food in advance. That's going to give you the greatest chance of success in the challenge. As I said, double check the conversions for your carb intake. This is really important. What you don't want to do is be ingesting far too many carbs and sort of blow this week out. Try different carb timing. So you can either eat post-workout or before bed. For anyone that struggles with sleeping, try your carb serving before bed. It actually helps to boost serotonin, which helps you sleep a little bit better. And then the last point, and this is a really good one, aim for basically the highest volume, lowest density options. So things like green veggies are super, super low in carbohydrates. So you can eat heaps and heaps of broccoli to get your carb serving. What's high in carbs is like rice. What's sort of moderate in carbs is sweet potato. And what's a really good one is pumpkin. So try different things at different times and see which one works best for you. Thanks, guys.